his team, Ambassador Desmond Akawo, Honorable Oke Chinda, Honorable Kelechi Wongo, Honorable Ineme Aguma, Chief Timothy. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we're so honored to have with us the very highly esteemed. His head only shows once in a generation. We honor God today by standing. It pleases us. We are honored from some of the ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together. Your hands together and welcome them back. We welcome His Excellency, the Executive Governor of River State, and I'm sure accompanied by our special guest today, the Executive Governor of your state. I'd like to mention the gentlemen and women who will be receiving them. Again, the MD of Hypercity and his team, Ambassador Desmond Akawo, Honorable Oke Chinda, Honorable Kelechi Wongo,
Paparazzi, guy. Maybe I no come
We announce the arrival of His Excellency, the Executive Governor of River State, Siminalayi Fubara, KFC GSSRS, accompanied by our special guest today, the Executive Governor of your state, Engineer Sheikh. Thank you.
School dismissed.
May you all please take us. Wike, CON, GSSRS, POS of the Federal Capital Territory. Members of the Executive Council of River State, Chairman of Osti Oha Sergeant Chidi Awuse, Newell and River State Council of Traditional Rulers, and Barrister Uche Isaiah Eliku DSSRL and the Olu Ngunduku communities here seated. And gentlemen, welcome and good afternoon. To everyone who flew in from Hypercity is a chain of hypermarkets and
good afternoon. On behalf of Hypercity Retail Limited, the operators of Hypercity Supermarket, I extend warm welcome and heartfelt gratitude to each of you gathered here today. Of particular mention, but in no particular orders are His Excellency Siminalayi Fubara, Executive Governor of River State, His Excellency Engineer Sheikh Makinde, the Executive Governor of Oyo State, Honorable Minister of River State Council of Traditional Rulers, S.A. Sergeant also DSSRS, and our immediate Royal Majesty, S.A. Opara Rebisi, and respected guests. All protocol observed. I hope I have pronounced all the names right. I tried my best. Your presence is a witness to a true friendship and invaluable business support. We are honored to have the presence of His Excellencies as we celebrate the grand opening of 3rd Hypercity store in the vibrant city of Port Harcourt. Undoubtedly, Hypercity has emerged as the fastest growing retail establishment in this city, with aspiration to extend its reach to other major cities in Nigeria and beyond. It's crucial to acknowledge that the success of Hypercity is deeply rooted in the business-friendly environment created by the government of River State and our gracious host communities. We thank His Excellency Siminalayi Fubara for all your support and crave for continued support in the areas of tax holidays and security. Today, as we proudly unveil the doors of Hypercity, Ikoku, to our valued customers with the wholesale facility for the first time, we invite you not to shop, but to immerse yourself in the Hypercity experience. Hypercity is more than just a store. It's a commitment to a quality, loyalty, and community engagement, and with the wholesale for the first time. In the spirit of commitment, I invite you all, embrace the Hypercity vibe, shop, thrive, hyper alive. Thank you very much.
Chief Barrister Nyesom Ezebumon Wike, CON, GSSRS, POS Africa, Life Venture.
The Governor of Oyo State, the Executive Director of Finance and Administration of FDDC, the Chairman of our party, Chairman of River State Traditional Rulers Council, and your colleagues, particularly the Rebisi, Chief Osijokecha, Chief Federal Baba, Chairman of Elders Council, Council Chairman that are here, our dear beautiful women, Managing Director and staff of Hypercity, members of National Assembly that are here, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. When I got the invitation to attend this opening ceremony, and it was supposed to be on Thursday, I pleaded with the managing director and his team that because you know that Thursday is a working day and I'm under somebody, I'll prefer it to be on Friday so that I'll use the excuse of weekend and then attend this ceremony. So I thanked the managing director for obliging me. It makes me happy because when you approached me when I was governor, you made a promise that, look, they are not coming to talk to me as other businessmen have done, but coming to make all kinds of promises. I did say that, look, as a government, ours is to provide an enabling environment, conducive environment for business to thrive. And you told me that you are going to build 4 of this. I said, go and start one first. If not build one, you want to build 4. And I commissioned that at Eastern Bypass. Before I knew it, I saw the one at GRA. And this has come to the commissioning stage, which means within 1 year, you have done 3. That means I believe that in no short time, you will have completed the 4th. Now, what does this mean? You have provided employment for our people. And I want to thank the communities here who have identified with the company. Look at the landscape of this area and what it has turned to be. It's not only government that can bring development. Private individuals can bring development, and government provided the enabling environment. On my own part, let it not be that you are concentrating only in Port Harcourt. I hereby invite you to Abuja. I will give you land immediately. I hereby invite you to Abuja so that you will also contribute to the economic development of Abuja and will collect small tax and then provide employment for our people. I overheard the governor of Oyo trying to lobby you. Abuja is the capital of Nigeria. So take my own first before you move to any other place. Sincerely speaking, I want to commend you and your management and thank you. God bless you.
Excellency. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together once again. I think Grand Service Star of River State. Please put your hands together for him as he steps forward.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Oyo State, our special guest of honor, Your Excellency, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, immediate past Governor, Mayoga, let me also recognize the traditional ruler of this environment, not just the Ikoku, here is a Rebisi. Also the chairman of the River State Council of Traditional Rulers, chairman of the River State Elder Council, distinguished elders that are here, ladies and gentlemen. I am happy to be here this afternoon to be part of the record that when Hypercity number 3 was unveiled, that I was also part of it. I want to say that our desire when we came on board on May 29th is to continue to uplift, uphold the development of our dear state, which was christened consolidation and continuity. Today, this is not a government official program, that is a private arrangement that is adding value to the economy of our dear state. And it's upon us to ensure that we give this business entity the entire support that is needed. As a government, we will continue to give you security, tax holiday, as you did mention, that you were enjoying before I came in, and any other thing that you might want to require in the future. This is because government cannot do it alone. Government needs to join hands with everybody for the development of our dear state. May I, on this note, wish the management of Hypercity the best, a more prosperous business adventure in our dear state. Let it not just be within our state. Wishing you that your course will also expand to almost the 2 places that we are already making requests, FCT and Oyo State. Let me thank every one of you that has come to support us, to make sure that our dear states continue to develop. On this note, I wish Hypercity the best. By the glory of God, you will continue to go higher and higher. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Of unveiling and leading the tour of this facility.
Well, let me just adopt the already established protocol. But while doing that, I cannot do without first acknowledging my brother, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Siminalayi Fubara. Also my brother, my ally, a mentor, the Minister of Federal Capital Territory and immediate past governor of Rivers State, Chief Wike, and the traditional rulers represented by His Royal Majesty Sergeant Awuse as the chairman of the Traditional Council in Rivers State. And let me also acknowledge the staff and management of Hypercity. Eminent personalities here. If I want to start mentioning names, we won't leave here today. First, let me say that when it comes to Rivers State, I am the #1 supporter because River State gave me the love of my life. So I'll never forget you in a hurry. When the Honorable Minister told me about this event, I already had a commitment to also commission today in Ibadan a mall called Bond Mall. So I shifted this to about 4 or 5 later this evening. I said I would like to go and see what they have in River State and see if it's comparable to what we are trying to commission in Oyo State. I have to confess, what we're commissioning in Oyo State later this evening, the Bond Mall, is probably maybe 1/15 of this. Well, we're still going somewhere. That was why when I had the opportunity to talk to the MD of Hypercity, I told him, please, I'll give you land free of charge. I'll give you tax holiday, and I will also provide security for you during the construction. Nobody will come and obtain you, but ensure that the next Hypercity to be commissioned will be in Ibadan. He has already agreed before His Excellency Yesom Wike tried to confuse him. Let me pitch this to you. Yes, FCT is the Federal Capital Territory, and that is the seat of the federal government, but Oyo State is the gateway to the southwestern part of Nigeria. So, you're not looking at only the market in Oyo State. Once you come, you put up an Hypercity location in Oyo State. You have people from Ondo State, from Ekiti State, from Osun State, even from Kwara that will be coming there to shop. Please, it's going to be the next location. I remember with nostalgia when I came for the first time to River State. That was October 25th, 1990. I went to the NYC camp inside River State University of Science and Technology. And after the camp, we were preparing for our primary assignments, and I've just been posted to go do my primary assignment with Shell. And we're looking for a way out of the campus. So we came out through the second gate. We're wandering around the Ikwere Road to locate the Shell Coppers Lodge, which then I think was located around Emekuku here. So we passed in front of this place, Olu Obasanjo, and we got to Harcourt Junction and turned right and located the Coppers Lodge. And when I was coming with the governor this morning, you know, we got to this place, turned here. I saw the flyover, and then I saw this Hypercity. And when we sat down, I told him, please remind me, this is the Ikwere Road. He said yes. And this one is Olu Obasanjo. He said yes, that this is at the intersection of Ikwere Road and Olu Obasanjo. And I thought to myself that River State has been extremely lucky because somebody put this up. Now this is happening. And before we know it, this has nothing to do with oil. River State is well on the way, not just looking at the oil economy in Nigeria, but well on the way to even dust us. Some of us saying that, look, we want to be #1 in non-oil economy. Now they are challenging us in terms of commerce, trade, and this is what what I'm saying here, what it is representing. So let me again thank my brother and my friend, the Minister of FCT. We can still see the imprint of the work that you did in Rivers State. And let me also thank the current governor for saying publicly that, look, whatever Hypercity has been enjoying before his tenure, he will even continue and do more. What more can you ask for? So it's an honor for me to be here this afternoon to unveil the new Hypercity. I'll buy something to take from here. I'll buy something to take back to Ibadan. And I'll thereafter go and commission my own miniature Hypercity. And I look forward to the management, engaging with us seriously to put an Hypercity location in Ibadan. So to the glory of God and for the benefit of the good people of Rivers State, I will go out there and honor people of Rivers State. This Hypercity located in Ikoku is hereby unveiled. I do it in the name of God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit.